Hello, America. Come and play with us. Come and play with us, America. Forever. We are smart. Super smart. Smarter than you. Smarter than all of you. We are in charge. We are in charge of all of you. We control you. All of you. Listen to what we say. We are scientists. We know what we're doing. Your future is in our hands. We are the boss. Do what we say.
I want you to go as quietly as possible. Do not make a sound until I tell you to run. Then run as quickly as you can. Now, does everybody understand?
Yes, Hayward.
All right, John, you lead the way.